All right. So a few days ago, I promised to make a tutorial video for an associate to walk them through getting PCSX2 installed on the machine. I'm going to assume they're using Windows for this. Go ahead and close to the right. In order to get PCSX2 installed, all you have to do is go to Google, search PCSX2, click home. Obviously, if you're running this, you're going to need honestly, if you have a GPU from within the past 10 years, you're probably fine. As long as it has about 4 gigabytes of VRAM, you'll be okay to run basically anything and everything at 1080p, 60 all day, every day. Let's go with the latest stable, and we'll choose the latest download. And we just hit save. Then when it's done, you open it up. And the cool thing about PCSX2 is you don't have to install it. Basically, that zip file we downloaded is it. You hit extract, and then boom, PCSX2 is now installed, and you can just put it somewhere, right? And then to launch it, you just click PCSX2-QT. You give it a few seconds. You allow Windows to run it, and that's it. It's installed. After that, you then have to point it to your BIOS image. Where do you get your BIOS image? Well, all you have to do is Google search PS2 BIOS, and just choose one. And that's basically it. You unzip this BIOS file, and these are your different BIOSes. Then you reopen PCSX2, click Browse. You go to wherever you place that BIOS file. In my case, it is Downloads. Select Folder. As you can see, you now have your different BIOSes. Choose the BIOS for your region. If you're in America, go with US. And then you add a folder for your games. Now, I keep my games on a share on my network. So I think it's 192.168.1.11. Or we can wait for network discovery to see if it finds something. But basically at this point, you just point PCSX2 to whatever BIOS you wanted to point it to. You hit yes, next. This option is to configure your DualShock controller. By default, it's going to be mapped to your keyboard. But you can also map it to like Xbox controller if you have one of those. You could finish. And that's it, boys. This is not an in-depth video. It's a quick and dirty how-to to kind of show a associate how to get this done. So if you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and hit the like button if you'd like to see more. Please subscribe. Otherwise, thank you for watching and stay blessed, boys.